उसके बाद हम मीटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे। थोड़ा टाइम वेट कीजिए सब कोई। और बस 2-3 मिनट वेट करते हैं, सारे ज्वाइन कर ले, स्टार्ट करते हैं। और मैं सारे बच्चों को बोलना चाहती हूँ कि सर, हम लोग वो जॉन धीरे के एचआर सर को इनवाइट करने वाले हैं। आराम से उनका प्रेजेंटेशन होने के बाद सब कोई अपना अपना क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है। अच्छा, मतलब एक एक करके हैंड रेस कीजिएगा, उसके बाद सबका अनम्यूट होगा धीरे धीरे एक एक जन का, उसके बाद सब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेगा। We will start our meeting in 5 minutes. Okay? इस ग्रुप में कोई आईटीआई के बच्चे हैं क्या? अगर आईटीआई के बच्चे हैं देन ये मीटिंग आपके लिए नहीं है, ओनली डिप्लोमा के बच्चे लोग के लिए है, दैट टू डिप्लोमा मैकेनिकल। सो आईटीआई के कोई है क्या? रेज योर हैंड्स। ओके, ग्रेट। प्रियांशु उत्तम कुमार कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, गेस।
यस मैम।
हाँ
मैम
उत्तम,
इसी
बोलो।
वाले लोग के लिए नहीं है मैम।
ओनली मैकेनिकल अभी। अगर आप
सिर्फ मैकेनिकल।
आज के लिए अभी ओनली मैकेनिकल अभी ले रहे हो, मतलब ये मीटिंग ओनली डिप्लोमा मैकेनिकल के लिए है, और रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल कैन लीव द मीट।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, उनके लिए अलग दिन मीटिंग होगा, आज नहीं है। ओके। प्रियांशु सर आ गए क्या? हेलो प्रियांशु। हेलो।
Hello, good morning, all. Good afternoon. I just want to add one thing. आज जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स आए हैं उनके लिए एक चीज मैं बता देती हूँ कि ये कंपनी कौन कौन सी ब्रांचेस लेगी, प्लीज दीजिए। स्मृति, प्लीज टेक का नोट।
श्योर मैम।
ये कंपनी लेगी डिप्लोमा कैंडिडेट्स फॉर मैकेनिकल, ऑटोमोबाइल प्रोडक्शन, mechatronics and electronics. Kindly share the banner or things to the in a message, please.
ओके ओके। मैकेनिकल। हाँ। मैम फिर से आप रिपीट कर दीजिए प्लीज, और एक बार। प्रियांशु मैम को थोड़ा अनम्यूट कर दो प्लीज।
हेलो जुबी मैम,
हाँ जूबी मैम को अनम्यूट कर दो।
रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है मैम ने।
अच्छा अच्छा
यस
यस मैम।
हमारे पास जो कैंडिडेट्स के लिए जॉन डियर ने रिक्वायरमेंट भेजी है उसमें प्लीज ये चीजें ऐड कर लीजिए। अगेन आई एम टेलिंग, फिर से एक बार प्लीज रिपीट कर रही हूँ सारे कैंडिडेट्स के लिए। जॉन डियर हायर कर रही है डिप्लोमा कैंडिडेट्स फॉर द ब्रांचेस मैकेनिकल, ऑटोमोबाइल, प्रोडक्शन, मेट्राट्रॉनिक्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स।
ओके ओके ग्रेट मैम।
अभी सर का प्रेजेंटेशन होने वाला है, डोंट लीव एनीवन। जितने भी डिप्लोमा कैंडिडेट है डोंट लीव एनीवन, प्लीज बी विथ अस ऑन मीटिंग। प्लीज स्मृति कैरी फॉरवर्ड, यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल।
श्योर मैम।
कैरी ऑन
थैंक
प्लीज।
यू। या सबको ही प्लीज रुकिए, अपना क्वेश्चन भी अपने मतलब रखिए। जैसे ही प्रेजेंटेशन खत्म होता है सबको चांस मिलेगा अपना अपना क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए। सो बी इन लाइन। प्रियांशु मीटिंग स्टार्ट करें?
या मैम श्योर, स्टार्ट कीजिए।
सर कनेक्ट हुए?
मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ प्लीज चेक कर लो।
क्या नाम से उनका?
श्रीकांत यादव।
ओके ओके, मैं चेक कर।
हेलो राघवेंद्र सर, गुड आफ्टरनून।
हेलो राघवेंद्र सर।
शायद सर ज्वाइन किए हैं।
हेलो गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर। ओके प्रियांशु, शायद सर ने ज्वाइन किया शायद।
उनका नेम तो शो नहीं हो रहा।
ओके प्रियांशु शायद सर आ गए। जॉन धीरे उनका मतलब शायद उनका नाम है शायद उस पे।
जॉन या
हाँ
हेलो
एक
सर
बार अनम्यूट करो।
रिक्वेस्ट भेज दिया मैंने।
ओके हेलो श्रीकांत सर, शायद रिक्वेस्ट गया है, प्लीज अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को। शायद थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है इसलिए शायद कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहे हैं। 1 मिनट, सबको ये लाइन पे रुके। हाँ बोलिए।
जॉन डियर से जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए। आपके पास अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन जा चुका है। श्रीकांत यादव सर, प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए, आपके पास भी अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन जा गया है। वेट फॉर अ वाइल, क्योंकि नेट आज थोड़ा स्लो चल रहा है। आई कैन सी दैट ये दोनों कनेक्टेड है, बट हमारी आवाज उन तक थोड़ी लो जा रही है। ओके, आई विल कनेक्ट विद वाया कॉल। मैं उनसे कॉल पे कनेक्ट करती हूँ। बी ऑन द जूम मीटिंग प्लीज।
सबको ये 1 मिनट रुक जाए बस। हम फोन पे कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद उनको मीटिंग को इनवाइट कर लेंगे। सबको तब तक थोड़ा लाइन पे रुकिए।
प्रियांशु प्लीज सर को फिर से अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन भेजो, क्योंकि सर बोल रहे हैं कि उनको अनम्यूट वाला अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है।
मैम मैंने भेजा हुआ है।
श्रीकांत सर को एंड सेकंड जो जॉन डियर से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, उनको एक भेज दो।
श्रीकांत यादव सर वो तो अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे राइट?
उन्होंने ज्वाइन कर लिया है।
नो मैम, श्रीकांत यादव इज अनदर वन।
नो 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 नो, श्रीकांत यादव इज सेम। लास्ट आप देखिए, एकदम लास्ट।
या मैम।
आप उनको एक बार अनम्यूट कीजिए, श्रीकांत यादव को भेजिए। सर आपके पास चला गया है। स्मृति प्लीज कैरी फॉरवर्ड। उनको गया नहीं था,
Yes,
आप
ma'am.
प्लीज कैरी फॉरवर्ड कीजिए।
हेलो सर।
Yes.
Hello.
क्या सर?
Good
Yeah,
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, welcome to this meeting, and we have diploma students with us. So
Okay.
please carry on.
Okay. Good morning, students. Hello. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Everyone is audible. You are audible to everyone. So
Okay.
so you can speak. Yeah,
Okay.
everyone is.
Great.
Listening.
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for scheduling this session. Okay. So myself,
Yes, sir.
Shrikant Jadhav. I am from John Deere Company. So most of the students, they are aware about the John Deere Company. Basically, John Deere is a multinational company, and we are. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is a US based company. So without wasting a time, just I will start the presentations. So is it okay? Shall I share my presentation with you, or can I just
Sure, sir.
explain you?
Definitely, sir.
Okay, great,
You can share, sir. No.
fine.
problems.
1 minute.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, host disable participant screen sharing. Actually, the message display on my screen.
Wait a second, sir. Wait a second. Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Try again, sir, please.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir. You can try again.
Yes, great. So,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. It is
So
visible
my
now.
screen
Yes,
is
sir. It's visible.
visible to all.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So basically, our John Deere company, John Deere company established in 1837. Uh, our plant is in Pune, and today I am just going to explain about my company information. Basically, friends, we require diploma candidates in our company for diploma apprenticeship period and trainee period. So now I hope that 2020 students they are just they are join the meetings, but your friends who are passed in 2019 and they want to join our company, of course, they can also join to our company. So basically our company is 180 years old company organization. We manufacture the products which helps our farmers with food, clothing and shelters throughout the world. So we are in the we manufacturing the products for to which helps the products to our farmers. The basic information is that our factory, our organization founded in 1837 by a blacksmith. We started our international expansions in 1955, and as I said that our company is a multinational company, so our headquarters is in USA. And world, if you see the total worldwide employment, around 65,000 employees are working in our company. Now we'll see, we are in agriculture, forestry, constructions, financials and gold fund terms. So now we'll see the where we are working. Total in if you see total we are working in our total 190 locations where our company having their factories in 30 countries. So these are the countries. Basically every company they are having their own principles. So in our company we are also following our principles. First is integrity, quality, commitment and innovations. So you people, you are aware about the integrity. See, basically integrity means the telling the truth. Here if you join our company, you will definitely find the difference between other companies and John Deere. In John Deere, we always treat our employees. We always give a fair treatment to our employees. Wherever there is if there is any mistake, so our employees they immediately admitted their mistakes, uh, and just whenever new employees also join, they give the fair treatment to them. Now we talk about the quality. Yes, quality. Always every organization they try to give the good quality product to their customers. Here also we are trying to give the good quality product to the customers. And now our customer is the main customer is a farmer. So just we tried our best to give the good quality products. Now we'll talk about the commitments. Yes, commitment, you are aware about the commitment, so I will not talk about the commitment. Innovation. Now innovation, the best example is Bajaj always give a Pulsar, Boxer, Forest Champion, this type of products to their customers. Here also we are trying to give the good variety of products to our customers, so that it helps our farmers. Now the base information about our company. In India, our company completed 20 years recently. we are having our own technology centers at Magarpatta in Pune. Around 5,000 employees are working in our Pune factory. Basically, our Pune factory started in 1999 with a joint venture with L&T John Deere. L&T. So that time our company name was L&T John Deere. But in 2000, I think in 2010, our company name is changed, and our company is John Deere India Private Limited. In 2005, in 2005 we have changed our company name. We are having, as you said, that we are having our technology center in Pune. In 2010, we have started our harvester factory in Sarin, Punjab, and also in 2011, we are just like Pune factory, we have started our new factory in Devas factory in Madhya Pradesh. So similar like our Pune factory. So we just manufacture the tractors in Pune as well as in Devas factory. Now we'll just specially talk about the Pune factory. So if you see the total whole area is around 112 acres land. This factory established in 1999, and we have rolled out our tractor in 2000. First tractor we rolled out in 2000. In Pune factory, you will find total 3 factories. One is engine, second one is transmission, and third one vehicle. Tractor ranging is from 35 to 75 HP, and total model of tractor is 30, and variants. Now we'll talk about the variants. Total variants are 400. Here we are not manufacturing tractors for domestic purpose, but of course there is export from Pune factory also. So total percentage is 60 and 40%. Presently, our tractor manufacturing capacity in Pune factory is 72,000 tractors. We have also ISO 9000 certified. And in Pune factory, you will find a best practice like CI, means it's a continuous improvement, Six Sigma. This is the aerial view of our Pune factory. I will go in next slide. Now, see, in 1 minute. I will find the work culture of our John Deere factory. Basically, we are giving priority to the safety of our employees and their health conditions. Our environment, you will definitely find a difference between other companies and John Deere. So here we give priority to safety and health. We have tie-up with the one hospital which is very nearby to our company. So if there is any incident, so our employees, we can immediately just take the treatment. Our employees, they can take the treatment from these hospitals. We are well occupied occupational health center in our factory. Of course, there is a ambulance. Okay, so and in total 3, we are working in 3 shifts. So we ensure that doctor, medical, good practitioners, they will be available in our factory. In my earlier slide, I have talked about the continuous improvement. Yes, it is a best practice which we follow in our factory. In Pune factory, we are just promoting our performance high teamwork. Here our employees, they work in a team. Okay, and here and in factory we are also promoting diversity. And special talk about the diversity, you will find in our factory, in Pune factory, regional diversity as well as gender diversity. So in Pune factory, though our factory is in Maharashtra, but still employees are not from Maharashtra. In our Pune factory, we recruit the candidates from all over the world, across the India. So you will find students from the Karnataka. Also, they are from 1 minute. Also, they are from Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, then Orissa, West Bengal. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what are the opportunities for our students, our employees in our factory? So basically, I said that this is a multinational company. So here we are having advanced machinery in our factory. So employees, they will get the opportunities to learn to work on the advanced machinery. Then we involve our employees in the live projects. We are always working on the projects, so employees get the benefits to work on the live projects. Yes, we are having world class manufacturing practices, so it helps our employees for their work in their career. Also, we just implement this suggestion scheme for our employees. So here our employees, they gives every month, they gives the suggestions, and based on that we just if there is a possibility to implement it, definitely we work on that. Now we talk about the training and diploma apprentice training schemes. Basically, see, in John Deere we recruit the diploma candidates for two categories. One is trainees, technical trainee, and another is diploma apprentices. So why diploma apprentices? As government allotted us a diploma apprentices quota, so it's a mandatory for every organization to recruit the apprentices uh, every year. So first, whenever there is any financial in any financial year, first we recruit the diploma candidates as a diploma apprentices, and once we fulfill our quota, then we recruit the technical trainees. So candidates who will be selected in our recruitment drive, there might be chances they will be join as a diploma apprentices, or suppose we fulfill our diploma apprentice quota, then they can join as a technical trainee. So basically, eligibility criteria is that we require fresh diploma engineers. Now, already I said that we got the deviation approval, so we can, yes, 2019 batch, they can also join our company. Branches, so mechanical, automobile, production, mechatronics, and electrical electronics candidates, they join. Age between 80 to 24 years. There should not be any year down or gap throughout the course. Minimum 50% aggregate mass in 3 years. So this is the basic eligibility criteria. The weight, now with a special talk about the male candidates, the weight should not be below 50 years, and in female case it is not less than 45 kg. Sorry, 50 years, wrongly I said that, 50 years, not 50 kg. Now duration of training. So technical training, they can work as for 2 years, but diploma apprentices, they will join for they can work in our John Deere company for 1 year. But after 1 year completion of their diploma apprenticeships, if they want to continue in our organizations, then simply they have to go on one applications to their supervisors, and if their supervisor found their performance is good, then definitely they can be converted into a second year technical training category. Clear? Candidates who will come for joining, they have to carry their photocopies, 6 latest passport size photographs, then their total testimonials photocopies, PAN card, photo ID, Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID card, and permanent address proof. See, while coming for joining, they have to carry their all original documents. Basically, we require it for the just verify purpose. Once we just cross check it, then immediately we hand over the documents to the respective candidates. Once candidates join our organization, so we, as per the business requirement, we deploy them maybe in production assembly line or machine shop, quality, maintenance, stores, manufacturing, engineering, or supply management. So it's a basic, it's a totally depends upon the business requirements. As per the students requirement, we can't deploy them. Now I will talk about this training stipend. So first year, our students, they will get stipend as a 3,800, HRA 1,460, education allowance, medical allowance, conveyance allowance, and other allowance. The total sum goes up to 12,260. So, friends, you will find their training allowance. So training allowance, though I have mentioned here 1,323, but it is totally linked with our productions. So every year, every month, our existing trainees, they will they get the more amount. Though I have mentioned here 1,323, because it is totally linked with the production productivity. Suggestion scheme, here 600 we gives our employees. So we expect that employees, they have to give the suggestion every month. Then and then only they will get the 600 amount. Attendance incentive, there is a criteria for attendance incentive. For we assume that employees who join the organization, they will be present whole month. So suppose any employee, if he present for whole month, then he will get the 2,000 amount as an attendance incentive. So total per month salary goes up to 12,260. Retirement benefits, provident fund 825. Yes, of course, these trainees, they are covered under ESIC. So there is a deduction, there is a ESIC contribution from company side, 398 rupees. So we have we have deposit this amount to ESI authorities. Then total CTC goes up to 13,483 rupees. Deduction part. So in deduction part, one provident fund. So 825 is the deduction from their salary as a provident fund. Then professional tax, it is a mandatory from the government. So 200 rupees deductions. As I said that there is a contribution, ESIC contribution from employer side. Same employee has to give their contributions. So there is a 92 rupees contribution from their salary. It's a good scheme for employees, because employee state insurance corporations is a beneficial for their employees, not only employees but their families also. So if there is any medical emergency, or suppose their family members, they want to take the benefit, yes, they can get the hospital benefits from the ESIC. In our factory, we provide the foods to our employees. So there is a nominal deductions, subsidized. We provide subsidized foods. So nominal deduction 478 rupees from employees. Transport, we provide transport to our employees to the nearby areas. So we expect from our employees that they have to stay the nearby areas of our company. That means Sanaswadi and Shikrapur. So we provide the transport from our company to Sanaswadi and Shikrapur area. Any employee who wants to stay in Pune, we are not providing any transport facility. And so there is a 300 rupees deduction. So total deduction part is 1,895. So first year, a candidate who will join as a technical trainee, he will get 10,365 rupees in hand salary. Though I have mentioned here 10,365 rupees, but I'm very confident that our employees, existing employees, they get more salary above that, this 10,365. Second year, same, there is no change, only the take home salary is that 12,291. Diploma apprentices, as there is they are covered under the apprenticeship scheme, so the provident fund is not applicable to them, and also ESIC is not applicable. So deduction part, only 978 rupees deduction from their monthly stipend. So almost they will get they get 11,522 rupees in hand salary. You will find a little bit difference between the technical trainee and diploma apprentices. But after 2 years, after first year, diploma apprentices who will join, who want to continue in a factory as a technical trainee, so they will be converted into the second year category, and their in hand salary will be 12,291 rupees. I think this stipend part is clear to all students. Apart from the salary stipend, we give the benefits to our employees like GPA. GPA means Group Person Accident Insurance Scheme. So total coverage is rupees 3 lakhs rupees. Basically, the main intention is that suppose if our employees, if they met with an accident, So in that case, they won't be join our factory. They can't work. So for their absence period, we try to protect their salary. So any employee, if he met with an accident, immediately has to report to our supervisor or higher person, so that we will communicate the information to the insurance company. And once the employee join the organization, he has to give this all the medical documents, which we will submit to insurance company, and a certain amounts from insurance company will will give to the employee. So this will help our employees, because it will just protect their salary. Clear? Then second one is medical facility. So just here we give the 50,000 rupees medical benefit to our employees. Here only say employees covered under medical facility. Her family members, they are not covered. Only self employees covered. For to get the benefit, he has to hospitalize for 24 hours. Then last one is group term life insurance. See, it's a term life insurance policy we give our employee in case of any uncertainty, or in case of any death case, that employee's nominee will get the 5 times of the annual fixed components of that whatever the fixed CTC of the employees, will give their family or nominee will get the 5 times of his annual fixed CTC. Suppose employees an employee whose fixed CTC is 1 lakh rupees, and so in death case, his family members or nominee will get 5 lakhs rupees from insurance company. Shift timings. So we are working in 3 shifts. First shift, which starts it from 6:30 to 3 o'clock. Second shift, 3 o'clock to night 11:30, and third shift, night 11:30 to next morning 6:30. General shifts 8 o'clock to 4:30. See here, technical trainee or diploma apprentice, they have to work only first, second, or third shifts. We are not allowing these employees, they can't work in general shifts. There is a lunch break in first shift and as well as in second shift also, for 30 minutes. So in that lunch break, they can lunch or dinner break, they will have their lunch or dinner. Then weekly off is our Sunday. We provide paid holidays. By mistake here I mentioned that 7, but total 6 paid holidays in a year we are giving to our employees. Leave part, technical training, casual leave 6, and sick leave 6. So total in a year, as a technical trainee, suppose if any employee join, then for the first year he will get 12 leaves, and for another year, another second year, he will get 12 leaves. But in diploma apprentice case, as they are covered under the apprenticeship acts, so apprenticeship is applicable to them. So as per the apprentice act, casual leaves will be 12 for diploma apprentice, and sick leave 15 numbers. So total 27 numbers will leave they will get. Basically, friends, it's a good suppose any diploma and candidates, they join our organizations, then definitely there is a good opportunity for them. Yes, after 2 years, if we found their performance is good, then definitely few of them will be converted into a permanent category. It's a good chance, but it's totally depends upon the individual, how they work, how they perform, how they show their involvement in the projects, how they behave in on shop floor. So we check all the parameters, and based on that we recommended our technical training for permanent category. Clear? So this is from my side.
Thank you so much, sir. It's really a great thing to know. It's a very good. You guys have a very good work culture and focus on employee problems and continuous improvement too.
Yes.
So we have our students, and we can take their questions, a few questions, what they have in their mind. So
Okay.
I would request, if it's possible, you can take it in Hindi.
Okay.
So it would be great for everyone.
Sure. नहीं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम
Sure,
नहीं.
sir.
One thing is that कि only 5
हाँ,
minutes in my
तो
hand. So just my request to you, all of you, please ask whatever. Suppose if you are having आपको कुछ doubts है तो please पूछिए. ओके, तो so that मैं सिर्फ 5 मिनट में थोड़ा कवर कर सकता हूँ because I have another meeting.
श्योर सर, श्योर.
Please.
अगर जिसको भी कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है जल्दी जल्दी पूछे और सेम क्वेश्चन ना पूछे. तो
Exactly.
प्रियांशु, लेट्स स्टार्ट.
यस मैम. तौकीर आलम, अनम्यूट कीजिए आपको.
ओके
हेलो
सर, वो
तौकीर.
जब तक वो लोग पूछना है, मुझे एक
हेलो
पूछना है. डू यू
हेलो
हैव.
हेलो
ओके, चलो.
हेलो सर. हेलो, am I audible sir?
यस तौकीर, यू आर
हेलो
ऑडिबल.
श्रीकांत सर.
वेट अ सेकंड.
हेलो श्रीकांत सर.
एक मिनट वेट करो. प्रियांशु, श्रीकांत सर को अनम्यूट करो.
हेलो.
एक मिनट सर आ रहे हैं. एक मिनट.
ओके मैम.
आई थिंक सर लेफ्ट हो गए.
मैम. हेलो.
प्रियांशु सर है शायद, हमें तो दिखा रहे हैं. हेलो प्रियांशु.
हेलो.
यस श्रीकांत सर.
आप पूछिए मुझे.
हेलो श्रीकांत सर.
यस.
यस तौकीर.
हाँ, बोलिए ना. प्रियांशु, आपको पूछना है कुछ?
हेलो तौकीर.
हेलो श्रीकांत सर.
यस तकीर.
Sir, I've completed diploma 2020 sir, but my date of birth is 1993 sir. Can I join or not sir?
I clearly said that कि जो भी स्टूडेंट्स है उनका एज बिलो 24 होना चाहिए. तो आप
Okay sir,
देखिए
but
बिलो 24
my age
रहेंगे
is
तो आप
above
ज्वाइन हो
24
सकते.
sir.
हाँ,
My age is above 24 sir.
नहीं, फिर आप नहीं कर सकते.
Okay sir, thank you.
यस, नेक्स्ट.
Jadav sir, thank
Yes.
you so much for giving us a great presentation sir. And I guess questions बहुत ज़्यादा हैं sir. If possible तो हम इन बच्चों की queries लेके आपको share कर सकते हैं sir.
श्योर मैम, कुछ नहीं, प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ मुझे इतना पूछना है कि जो भी इंटरेस्टेड रहेंगे, मेरे पास वैकेंसी इमीडिएट है, दे कैन ज्वाइन इमीडिएटली. और वी कैन जस्ट
What will be the last date?
सी, यदि मुझे इस वीक में भी यदि स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो इमीडिएट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ऑल अक्रॉस द इंडिया मेरी सब वैकेंसीज गई है. ओके, सो यदि फॉर वैकेंसीज फिलअप हो जाती है तो फिर मैं नहीं उनको ज्वाइन कर पाऊंगा. ओके,
कैंडिडेट्स अभी सारे स्टेट वाइज बैठे हुए हैं, कुछ झारखंड में बैठे हैं, कुछ उड़ीसा में. तो
हाँ, तो फिर मैं वर्चुअली उनका इंटरव्यू ले सकता हूँ. ओके, इफ दे आर इंटरेस्टेड.
तो सर हम
आपके पास
एक अलाइन करते हैं, एक और सेशन अलाइन करते हैं सिर्फ इंटरेस्टेड बच्चों का. आप उनका
ठीक है.
वर्चुअल कर लीजिए, जिनको आप फाइनल करेंगे हम उनका फिर टिकटिंग वगैरह करवा देंगे सर.
श्योर मैम, श्योर. ओके.
ठीक है, सो गाइस डोंट वरी, आप जादव सर से फिर मिल सकते हैं। जितने भी बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड हैं प्लीज अपने HR डिपार्टमेंट, उड़ीसा वाले उड़ीसा टीम से डिपार्टमेंट को करेंगे कनेक्ट, एंड झारखंड वाले झारखंड डिपार्टमेंट को, और अपने जो बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड है जॉन डियर के लिए फटाफट रजिस्टर्ड कीजिए। एंड आपका नेक्स्ट सेशन कब होगा सर? इनका वर्चुअल हम कब कर सकते हैं?
मैडम आप बोल रही हो, मैं उस दिन करने के लिए रेडी हूँ।
सर हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ सर एक दिन और चाहिए। आज के
Sure,
दिन
sure.
बच्चे रजिस्टर्ड हो जाते हैं, कल मैं आपको बता के सर परसों हम इनका वर्चुअल करवाएंगे सर।
यस, लेकिन उनको बताना है कि इमीडिएट ज्वाइनिंग चाहिए मुझे। ऐसा ना हो कि मैं आज 8 दिन में पेरेंट्स से पूछूंगा, फिर मैं और 15 दिन, मैं 1
नहीं,
मार्च को ज्वाइन है, तो ये एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं चाहिए मुझे प्लीज।
सर अगर ज्यादा से ज्यादा टाइम होगा सर तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 1 वीक के अंदर ही बच्चे आ पाएंगे सर।
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट।
ठीक है सर, तो हम सिर्फ इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स को अलाइन करते हैं। थैंक यू जादव
फाइन
सर।
मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
ओके, प्लीज अनम्यूट कीजिए स्मृति को।
ओके मैडम, तो फिर मैं क्विट हो सकता हूँ?
श्योर सर, श्योर, विल कनेक्ट यू सर। ओके सर। प्रियांशु प्लीज अनम्यूट स्मृति। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग यू सर। स्मृति प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
हेलो स्मृति मैम।
हेलो, हाँ मैम बोलिए।
स्मृति प्लीज इसको कंक्लूड कीजिए इस मीटिंग को।
मैम सर चले गए?
हाँ जी सर चले गए हैं। एंड जितने भी कैंडिडेट, मैं वापस से बोल रही हूँ, जितने कैंडिडेट जॉन डियर में जाने के लिए रेडी हैं, आपको पोस्टर्स शेयर कर दिए गए हैं जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ। क्राइटेरिया है 18 से 24 साल का लड़का, 24 साल से इंक्रीज नहीं होना चाहिए एज। आपका वेट अगर लड़के हैं तो 50 किलो से लेस नहीं होना चाहिए। प्लीज जितने भी बच्चों के डाउट्स है अपने HR डिपार्टमेंट में कांटेक्ट कीजिए। अवेक झारखंड वाले झारखंड में, उड़ीसा वाले उड़ीसा में। आज जितने बच्चों का रजिस्ट्रेशन हमारे पास कंफर्म आता है, उतने बच्चे वर्चुअल इंटरव्यू के लिए जाएंगे। और इस रजिस्ट्रेशन में अभी आपको कुछ भी रजिस्टर्ड पेमेंट नहीं करना है। जिनका वर्चुअल होने के बाद कंफर्मेशन आएगा, पेमेंट सिर्फ उन्हीं को करना है। Am I clear to both centers?
यस मैम।
ये मैम।
फाइन, ग्रेट। सो गाइज आप फटाफट आप लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए अपने अपने ग्रुप को कॉल कीजिए, उड़ीसा वाले टीम को कांटेक्ट कीजिए, वो आपको प्रोसेस बताएंगी, और झारखंड वाले झारखंड को। थैंक यू दिव्या, थैंक यू स्मृति, थैंक यू प्रियांशु, एंड
Thank you,
ऑल
ma'am.
द टीम मेंबर्स एंड इंक्लूडिंग माय स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने आज ज्वाइन किया है। थैंक यू सो मच। आपके जो भी क्वेरीज हो प्लीज अपने अपने कोऑर्डिनेटर से बात करें। एंड प्लीज स्मृति इसको कंक्लूड कीजिए।
जी जी ठीक है। और सबको ही आराम से अपने अपने क्वेश्चन, सबको मतलब इंडिविजुअल क्वेश्चंस अपने अपने टीम को ही पूछिए। जैसे कि मैम ने कहा, झारखंड वाले झारखंड के टीम को, उड़ीसा वाले उड़ीसा के हमारे टीम को पूछ सकते हो। सो नो इश्यूज, जो भी है हम लोग को रीच आउट कर सकते हो। तो थैंक यू एवरीवन। अगर नेक्स्ट वर्चुअल मीटिंग के लिए जो भी सिलेक्टेड होंगे उसके बाद हम देखेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन।
ओके स्मृति मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।